Why should I listen to you? This question, you always face it when you meet a stranger in a meetup, networking event, or any other venue where somebody doesn't know you. This question indeed has some meaning to it. Usually the prospects or the one in front of you doesn't mean it. He means that he doesn't have time, he's not interested. Answering this type of questions and similar questions, we call it addressing objections. In Sales and the Closing Deal workshop, I will share with you different individual personality, and I will share with you a closing techniques where you can address about 83 different objections. These objections will help you maneuver through your personal life, your business, and your activity. It will help you getting closer to different people. It will help you work with different people, and it will help you also accept feedback and negotiate what you like to get and what you like to do. I will welcome you to join my workshop and sign up through the link below to get together and we can meet and discuss these different objections. The last thing before I go, I would recommend that you bring in any product sheet, any product information, any material that describes the service and the product you are selling. So we can basically build your own scripts, personalized techniques to your own service. And guess what? If you are not selling anything and you just would like to come to connect with others, please bring your smile and your positive attitude. See you in Sales and the Closing Deal workshop